నాబార్డు సహకారంతో జిల్లా కేంద్ర సహకార బ్యాంకులు, ప్రాథమిక వ్యవసాయ సహకార సంఘాల ద్వారా రైతులకు అద్భుతమైన సేవలు అందిస్తున్నాయని లక్నో బ్యాంకర్స్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ ప్రిన్సిపాల్ ఉపేంద్ర సింగ్ స్పష్టం చేశారు. అనకాపల్లి జిల్లా సబ్బవరం మండల కేంద్రంలో గల శ్రీ దుర్గాంబ ప్రాథమిక వ్యవసాయ సహకార పరపతి సంఘం కార్యాలయాన్ని లక్నో బ్యాంకర్స్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ బృందం పరిశీలించింది. ఈ సందర్భంగా ఇక్కడి సొసైటీ సీఈఓ గొంప రమణ లక్నో బృందానికి వివరిస్తూ 32 గ్రామాల్లో విస్తరించి ఉన్న దుర్గాంబ సొసైటీ రైతులకు అమలు చేస్తున్న పథకాల గురించి వివరించారు. అయితే రైతులకు అమలు చేస్తున్న వడ్డీ రేటును కూడా లక్నో బ్యాంకర్స్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ బృందం అడిగి తెలుసుకుంది. ఈ సందర్భంగా బర్డ్ పేరుతో పిలుస్తున్న లక్నో ఆల్ ఇండియా బ్యాంకర్స్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ వారి ఆధ్వర్యంలో మన రాష్ట్రంలోని సహకార సంఘాల అధ్యయనంలో భాగంగా ఇక్కడికి వచ్చినట్టు బర్డ్ చైర్మన్ ఉపేంద్ర సింగ్ తెలిపారు. ఈ పర్యటనలో భాగంగా మునగపాక మండలం నాగులాపల్లి వద్ద గల తోటాడ గ్రామంలో బహుళార్థ సాధక సౌకర్యాల నిమిత్తం 35 లక్షలతో నిర్మిస్తున్న గోదామును పరిశీలించామని తెలిపారు. సబ్బవరం దుర్గమ్మ సొసైటీ ఆధ్వర్యంలో రైతులకు అందిస్తున్న సేవలను ఆ బృందం ప్రశంసించింది. బర్డ్ సంస్థకు ఇక్కడ సొసైటీ అమలు చేస్తున్న పథకాలను, వ్యవసాయ రుణాల గురించి సొసైటీ సీఈఓ గొంప రమణతో పాటు కేంద్ర సహకార బ్యాంక్ డిప్యూటీ జనరల్ మేనేజర్ పెంటకోట స్వామినాయుడు, అసిస్టెంట్ రిజిస్టర్ డివిఎస్ రామారావులు వివరించారు. లక్నో బ్యాంకర్స్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ బృందానికి సబ్బవరం సొసైటీ పాలకవర్గ చైర్మన్ కాపుశెట్టి శేషుబాబు స్వాగతం పలికారు.
Each is recommended to chairperson. Next, after construction, you propose to construction of godown and etc. business is developed to our society.
Out of 30 branches, only 16 branches are rural branches. So that is one of the area Padir agency branch, and remaining branches is both of urban and rural.
And that is a society developed by NABARD. That is the apex level organization for agriculture and rural development. And we have our training center at Lucknow, which is catering to the training needs of cooperative banks, regional rural banks, and other stakeholders also, including NGOs, SHGs, and all those people who belong to the agriculture and rural community. And regarding this program, we have a delegation of 27 members who are either chaired with them also, so that they can implement, because they are the decision makers at their level, because they are the board of directors, chairman and vice chairman at their respective district cooperative banks and state cooperative banks. They can take the decisions at their state level, and we obviously will recommend these kind of interventions to be implemented or replicated in their states itself.
How the NABARD is giving their helpful hand to its
What we have seen that through BIRD we are building the capacities or the training capacity we are taking care of, but through the financial angle we can see that the district cooperative bank, what they are lending to the PACs is being refinanced by NABARD, so they are getting cheap sources of fund from NABARD, and also we are also paying some kind of interest subventions for various activities which we are intended to do. And we have recently one PAX. Before coming to this PAX, we visited a PAX. What was that name? Nagulapalli. And there is a godown constructed out there in which the benefit of these kind of schemes.
in India, which state is fully developed PSES?
Cooperative society.
Cooperative society.
Actually, it's a very broad kind of question, because we cannot quantify it that which state is performing very well. But we have seen that in the southern states, PACs strengths are very. We have seen that strong PACs are there, and with strong PACs, banks are also having good kind of business. Whereas in other parts of the country, we have seen that banks, say for the agriculture purposes, also not they are not very dependent on those activities. So it is the main reason behind the success of this PACs and also of the district cooperative bank. Self-sufficient. And
In this branch.
yeah, it's actually when we entered in this PACs, we didn't felt that it is a PACs, because we have seen in some places that even branches are less equipped with these kind of amenities and all those infrastructure. So we felt that the functioning of the PACs is very well, their recovery is very well. They have diversified their business so that they are getting income from various sources in one basket. That's the what we have learned from this PACs, that they have diversified their business and they are getting returns from various businesses. If one fails, then they are capable of getting returns from other activities so that they are viable. They are state cooperative banks and district cooperative banks. We have delegations from 4 states, that is Mizoram, Uttar Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh and Haryana. And we have 6 district cooperative banks and 1 state cooperative bank with us. And this program actually intends to have some kind of interaction between these people, because we are from north and northeastern states and this is a southern state. What are the basic differences between the functioning of places and this place? So what we have seen during our 2 days program, it started on 1st of November and it will conclude tomorrow, that is 3rd of November. What we have seen is that in this state, in the state of Andhra Pradesh, or let us say for the DCCB Visakhapatnam, that DCCBs are actually diversifying. They are getting the loan at the rate of only 1% for construction of any agri infrastructure. They are getting, and not Navalapalli, all those PACs who intend to do such kind of agri infrastructure business can avail this finance facility, in which 3% subvention is provided by Government of India under Agriculture Infrastructure Fund and 3% subvention under this PACs as MSC support of NABARD. So the cooperative sector's viability is with the PACs viability.
Are you satisfied in this
Yeah, we are
farmers'
very
interest and loaning, etc.?
Yeah. Actually, the whole process is common for the whole country, that if we are lending under the short-term credit, the farmer is getting at 7%, and if he is paying at promptly is repaying his dues, then he will get an interest subvention of 3% from Government of India. And regarding other activities also,